Hello class. A little help with check 13b. We're continuing where we left off with 13a. We made a constructor and a deconstructor for the array. And in checkpoint B talks about the rule of 3. So whenever you have need to implement a copy constructor or an assignment operator or a destructor, you're probably going to need all three of them. Okay, so in this case, because if we create a new number list and we wanted to make a copy of it just using the assignment operator, it would, by default, it would both point to the same object and it wouldn't give you a copy, so we have to manually tell it how to copy over a new number list. Okay, so we will start with the copy constructor. It's a constructor, so it's going to have the same name as the class, but this time, instead of giving it an integer value to create the array, we give it a reference to an existing number list, and it's constant. We don't want to be able to change it in the function. Sorry, got to get my case sensitivity. There we go. So it's going to be a reference. So when it's copied, we can create a number list from another number list, and to make a copy of it, we will ask for the size of the one we're copying. Okay, we're going to initialize a new array of integers of that size. Okay, now we have a brand new array, so this is a pointer in a different place, and then we can fill up that array with a for loop. For each item in the array, we will give it the value that was in the array that we're given. So every value that's in the array we want to copy, we're going to put into our new array. And now we're going to have, after this function runs, we would have two separate objects, not two pointers to the same object. Okay, so the copy constructor, and then we're going to overload the assignment operator so it knows how to, we could set a number list equal to another number list. Okay. So this one will return a reference to a number list. That's what we want. And it will take a reference to a number list. For the right hand side, so do a quick check. If the array is not null, we will delete it and set it to null. Okay. So now we have an array variable that is null. We set the size, just like in the copy constructor, we set the size to the size of the object that we're referencing. Change the array to a brand new integer array of that specific size. And the for loop's going to be pretty much the same. Okay, we could even copy and paste it. But in this case, after we build that new array, we need to return. So we have this object and we dereference it to return the proper reference to the number list. Okay. So the rule of threes is if you're going to be making a copy constructor or overloading the assignment operator, or making a deconstructor, you're probably going to want to do all three in most cases. Alright, I hope that helps with all the checks. Hope all is going well with asteroids. Have a great day.